Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. So today, what I'm going to do is work on the 79 F150. So I'm going to pull the bench seat out of the truck and we'll sand the floor on this thing and get it ready for the bed liner that I'm going to spray on the floor. And then I'll treat this rusted area before I spray it. I also got to pull the stick shift for the transfer case and also for the transmission. And then I ended up pulling the cover just so it'll make it easier. And then also I just got to pull one seatbelt on that side because I already did the driver's side. So we'll do the inside of the truck, and then also we'll do the trunk on the Merc and get that taken care of at the same time. Since it's the Raptor liner comes in 4 different jugs, so you could do, you know, like a little small section and not waste the whole thing. So I'm going to do that today, and let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna roll the truck out and just kind of clean the inside of the cab, get all that dirt up and wash it. And then I'll sand it, treat that rust, and then start doing the inside of the trunk on the Merc. All right, so the inside of the truck is all masked up and ready to get sprayed with the Raptor liner. And then same with the inside of the trunk on the Merc. That thing's all wrapped up and ready. It really doesn't need that much because the interior in the car is, you know, not in, so I'm not really too concerned about anything. I did wrap the dash though, but yeah. I'll mix up the 2-part on the hardener
and the bed liner stuff on that Raptor liner, put it in the gun, and then we'll spray it. Alright, it came out pretty decent. I like the outcome of the bed liner. It doesn't have to look pretty anyways, really, because it's getting covered up with the floor, but I just did it for corrosion protection and sound deadener. Same with the Merc. Came out pretty good. Came out good over there. Same with over in that corner. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. And if I have to, I could go over it again. So, all right, so I got the vinyl floor in. Does need to sit for a little bit and let itself relax. I might have to take the heat gun and kind of heat it up a little bit in here. I did trim a tiny bit for the four-wheel drive, for the transfer case, and also for the shifter. The only thing I don't know is where the bezel is for this. I thought we had it still, but we don't. We do have the original one. I might just have to get a kind of like a low car e-brake one and make that work, and then I'll just do the same thing with this one. Just gonna kind of get a small bezel and boot for the shifter. And then for the seat, I do need to get a new foam pad, new cushion for the bottom, and then get this thing reupholstered. Probably change the color of it. Kind of more of like maybe a little bit lighter than the dash pad. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the inside of the truck. But I do need to get the seat thrown back in. That way I can get the truck out of the shop, because I do have another truck that's supposed to come in to get a lift kit done. So that'll be next on the list of things to do, besides keep working on the Merc and getting that thing out of here. But I did finally get the floor pan for the GTO. That's right there. And then I also went to Pick and Pull a couple weeks ago, or about a week ago now, and picked up 2 used quarters for the Fox body, because when I patched this part in for the car, it just came out horribly not the way I wanted it. The only thing that's wrong with this one is it does have a major dent right here, but since I'm cutting the skin off, I should be able to get back behind this and pound most of that out. And then there'll be really not a lot of body work on the quarters, because I'm just going to cut it up into here. And the only thing that's different is for the quarter glass, because the other one is a little bit thicker, and then it has a spot right here for one of the studs, and then one right here. So I'll just have to add that when I cut this quarter off. Here's the other one. Pretty much the same thing. There's a dent there, one there. Really minor damage on these quarters. So I'll probably do that too, just because I want to get this thing painted and out of here. So yeah, I'll just cut both back skins off on the Fox body and get them put on. So that's it for today's video. If you guys like today's video, hit that like and subscribe button. Also, leave a comment and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Later.